Bitcoin kicked off in 2009. It's the OG of cryptocurrency. Think of it as digital gold, mined by solving crazy math puzzles and turning computers into treasure hunters. Ethereum, aka the supercomputer of crypto, this isn't just money, it's a decentralized supercomputer running smart contracts, such as dApps. Ethereum's got your back. It's now way greener than before. Meet Solana, built for speed and low cost. Imagine sending money as fast as a text. Solana handles thousands of transactions per second thanks to its innovative proof of history. It's the sports car of crypto. BNB started as a token for Binance, slashing trading fees and fueling the Binance Smart Chain. With periodic token burns, BNB is designed to get rarer and more valuable over time. Stablecoins are the steady hands. For stability, we have Tether and USDC. These coins are pegged to the dollar, keeping your value steady when crypto's rollercoaster gets wild. Sure, Tether's had its drama, but they're still crucial for everyday crypto transactions. XRP, for fast and cheap global payments, XRP, by Ripple, is all about lightning-fast, low-cost cross-border payments. Despite legal battles, it's revolutionizing how banks move money. 1,500 transactions per second, no joke. Dogecoin, the meme that mattered. What started as a meme, Dogecoin, is now a community-driven powerhouse, used for tipping and fun transactions. Celebrity shout-outs from Elon Musk only made it hotter. Cardano and Chainlink, innovation meets connectivity. Cardano is the slow and steady blockchain built on research, solving real-world problems like verifying student records. And Chainlink, it's the data messenger, linking blockchains to real-world info with smart oracles. Toncoin and TRON beyond payments. Toncoin, born from Telegram roots, brings crypto into your everyday chats. Fast and super affordable. Then there's TRON, connecting creators and fans with free bandwidth and a focus on entertainment. That's your whirlwind crypto breakdown. Smash that subscribe button for more fast, fun, and factual crypto insights on